this is Kijibo Vlog, si Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang kailangan gawa natin ng reaction video ang kay Jerome Ibardome sings Just Pretend live at R&R Rock and Roll Party. So dito naman tayo. I really don't know kung ilan yung kinanta niya. Kakatapos ko lang gawa ng reaction video isang kinanta niya, and I really love the way how he started the song. Such an orgasmic talaga. Plus, given the fact na it's a live performance, parang alam mo yung hindi linagyan ng reverb, ang microphone and everything, but tunog international talaga siya. I miss making reaction video kay Jerome. Kung hindi pa mag-upload si Sir Mandong Labandero vlog, shout out to you, hindi ko pa malalaman na may R&J Rock and Roll Party kagabi. Or yeah, I think this was last night, right? So, I won't take any longer. Agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video. Ang iba pang mga kanta ni Jerome Ibardome, kung may gusto pa kayong react sa akin na performance ni Jerome Ibardome, please, ang link ng video, i-post nyo na dyan sa comment section. So, hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
The very first song I'm going to do is a song Elvis did in a Western country album, you know. Title of this song is called Just Pretend.
Just Pretend for today's video. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Tingnan natin kung paano niya sisi. Ay! Atake!
Just pretend I'm holding you.
Ay, ang ganda ng kanta.
And whispering things softly low.
Ganda talaga ng timbre niyang boses niya. I swear.
How it's gonna be.
Ganda talaga siya. Magaling talaga siya. Oo. Oh, the emotions, the crescendo, and also how he prolonged that note sa last lyric ng kanta. I love it. Such an orgasmic. May ano talaga, no? May, even hindi ka familiar sa kanta, pero ang boses niya, pag siya na ang kumanta, hagod na hagod talaga. Yung tipong alam mo yung example dyan, parang nagpapamasahe ka, tapos ang sakit ng likod ko, ang sakit ng likod mo, kahit hindi tinatouch ang kamay ang likod mo, pero pag marinig mo yung boses niya at papasok sa mga kaugat-ugat at laman-laman ng likod mo, matatamaan niya lahat at makukuha ang sakit. You know what I mean? Nagigets niyo ba ako? Ganun yung feeling.
Just pretend
Just pretend.
I'm holding you. And whispering things softly low. And tell me how it's gonna be. So just pretend I just didn't go.
Grabe yung placement niya. Ay, wow, the low notes. Narinig ko na naman ang orgasmic niya na low notes. Wow! Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, opo, ay, sabihin nyo low notes lang naman yun. No. I am really amazed to the singer who can execute low notes rather than hitting the high notes, because hitting the low notes is more difficult. Kung naririnig niyo ang low notes niya, klarong-klaro, hindi niya kinakain. Plus kung ano ang lyrics ng kanta o ang words na binabanggit niya while executing the low notes, nababanggit niya properly.
So just pretend I just didn't go.
Wow, kawihi. Lalim no?
What did you say? If you need me, you know what to do. I knew it then, I'd be back again. So just pretend I'm right there with you.
Wow.
And I'll come flying through you again.
Oh, the emotion. The emotion. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wait, ang ganda nun. Ganda nun. Super. Ganda talaga ng low notes niya.
But I can't recall the things you said or why you cried. But now I know it was wrong to go. 'Cause I belong here by your side.
Wow! The emotion! Ang ganda ng emotion niya sa kantang to. Oh, sarap. Sarap. Wala na. Okay. And produce din sa banda ha, in fairness. Maganda din yung tunog ng banda. Nagko-complement sa boses niya. Galing, galing, galing. Atake, atake. Magaling siya, magaling. Love it! Perfect! Ang ganda ng last part, yung hinihit niya na yung high notes. Alam mo yon, yung tipong alam mo yung parang, saan na ba yon? Ano? Ito. Yes! Hindi masakit sa tenga. Yes! Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Jerome Ibardome. Just pretend. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!